What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Playmaker Way with the playbook, and y'all read the title, man. The supply and demand strategy I wish I knew as a beginner. Now, this is your first time on the channel. Welcome. I appreciate you giving this video a chance. Make sure to hit that bell and sub button because we don't just post weekly content like this, but we also post trade breakdowns, trading tip videos, trading plan videos, trading psychology videos, and most importantly, we live stream and live trade every day, London session 3 a.m. EST on this very same channel. We also have a free signal, free Telegram. There's the first link in the description. This is how we did last month, October. We caught a total of 157,608 pips, 125,674 strictly with the members in the advanced play signal room. Ended the month 32.5, giving us an 86% win rate. Now, this is how we did last quarter. July, we went 34 wins, 3 losses. August, we took 45 wins, 7 losses. And in September, we took 27 wins, 4 losses, catching 105,389 pips July, 219,708 pips in August, and 16,634 pips in September, giving us a total of 341,731 pips caught, 323,385 strictly with the members in the advanced play signal room. In the quarter, 106 wins, 14 losses, giving us an 88% win rate. Every trade posted has the date, the time the trade was posted, my personal entry, SL, TPs, how many people viewed or entered the trade, reactions, and of course those TPs getting hit. So make sure to go ahead and check that out. Now let's get straight into this video. So we're going to break this down into 3 simple steps. Now again, trading is a lot simpler than a lot of people make it seem. The issue is a lot of people be so focused on trying to make money that they rush the process or ignore the telltale signs. All right, so now we're going to go into rule number 1. You want to trade with the flow of price. You want to trade with the trend. All right, now that might sound obvious, but let's be honest, a lot of people still go against the trend and go for reversals. The main reason why you want to go with the flow of price is because me and you both can agree, I think we can all agree, that we do not control the markets. So since we do not control the markets, we got to focus on what we do control, which is what? When we enter a trade, when we exit a trade, and how much we risk per trade. Since we do not control the markets, we want to go with the highest probability. So if we're in a downtrend, what is most likely price going to continue to do? Go down. Just like if we're in an uptrend, what is price most likely going to continue to do? Go up. So if I'm in a downtrend, I enter a sell, I'm gonna have a 60, 70, 80, 90% chance of price going my way, versus if I enter a buy in a downtrend, I'll have a 10, 20, 30% chance. So why would I want to risk my hard-earned money on a 10, 20, 30% chance versus a 60, 70, 80, 90% chance? You want to enter sells off resistance, buys off of support. Now, if you do not understand how support resistance works, pause this video. I got y'all. Watch this video right here. This is going to help y'all out. Then come back to this one. Now, the reason we're going to enter off resistance for sales is because, again, we do not control the volume and direction of price. So if we're in a downtrend and then we enter off a resistance level, not only do we have the flow of price pushing in our favor, but we also have the momentum, as you can see, pushing in our favor. Look at how price reacts when it hit this resistance level. Huge shot to the downside. Look at the same thing here. Retraced, huge shot to the downside, right? Retraced, huge shot to the downside. Huge shot to the downside. Huge shot to the downside. So that is exactly why, and even right here, the support level, huge push to the upside, right? So this is why you want to trade off of support and resistance levels. It's going to give you that extra momentum. So then this brings us into step number 3. You want to wait for the confirmation. A lot of people kind of understand how support, resistance, or supply demand works, but the mistake they make is they don't wait for that confirmation. As soon as price will touch their level, they'll enter a trade. Now, yes, you'll still have a high likelihood of, at the end of the week or the month, being profitable, but you'll end up losing a lot more trades. And especially if you don't understand how to calculate lot size or understand risk to reward, you're going to struggle doing so, versus if you patiently wait for a setup, you're going to avoid unnecessary losses. Here is a perfect example. See how price was treating this level as support? What would have happened if we went for a sell here without waiting for the retest? Would have took an unnecessary loss. Same thing here, unnecessary loss, unnecessary drawdown, unnecessary loss. Versus once we waited for price to break this level, hold, and show us it was going to respect it as a resistance, then look, not only do we avoid all those unnecessary losses, but guess what? Price went in our favor, in our direction. Same thing here. Didn't enter off this, waited for price to hold as resistance and push back down, then we enter that trade. Same thing here. Look at price, hit the support, didn't break it yet. Then once it broke it and held as resistance, that's when we went for the sell. And that brings us into the bonus tip in the bonus rule. A strong support can be a strong resistance. It depends on the flow and direction of price. Look at that. You see what I'm saying? If y'all enjoyed that video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below any questions, comments, concerns you may have. Make sure to hit that first link in the description, join the free Signal Room, free Telegram. If you're interested in learning how I mark up these levels or my Signal Room or mentorship programs, hit those links in the description. But before you make a decision, let me tell you a little bit about those details. So the advanced play Signal Room, we trade Tokyo session exclusively with the members. We trade London session and then New York. Just like the Sunday chart analysis I drop in the free Signal Room, I drop one every day during New York session called the New York Price Watch List. This is where I go over the trades we took during Tokyo session, London session, and possible sales going into New York. I don't just say we're looking for buys or looking for sells. I explain why we're looking for buys, why we're looking for sells, and then I take it a step further and go over key price points to look for entries and exits on. As you can see here, I call this signal. You see I'm walking y'all through what's going on with the trades we're in. I'm giving y'all updates to what I talked about in the New York Price Watch List. And then of course you see me showing y'all screenshots to visually show y'all what's going on behind the scenes, or what I see on my end behind the scenes. All right, we also have exclusive live streams that we go live during New York news events at least twice a week. And just like the London session lives, if you missed the live, they're recorded and posted in here so you can watch them when you get a chance. You have access to over 500 videos of daily chart analysis and weekly live streams. And in fact, you have access to even the ones last year in 2022. Then there's also the pinned messages like the account size key, the student and member group chat, and much more. Now I also have the course, of course. The course doesn't just teach you my trading strategy, it also teaches you how to read the charts, because that's what I teach y'all. You saw I had no indicators, no trend lines. It's simply just market flow and trading and entering and exiting off key price levels. Now all the stuff that I just went over, you get access to all that stuff in the course channel. So that way, not only do you have the step-by-step playbook of how to look and read any chart at all times, but you have ongoing chart analysis, ongoing education for life. Now I also have one-on-one sessions. One-on-one sessions also comes with access to the advanced play Signal Room and the student member group chat. That way you can earn while you learn, but then you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded an hour long. But you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded and are an hour long, and they're sent to you same day. Those are yours to keep for life. So if you're interested in that, hit those links in the description. If y'all want to contact me directly, y'all can DM me on Instagram at playmaker_way. Also make sure to follow me on there, and TikTok _playmakerway_. I post daily on both pages. And I'll see y'all next time I'm live or next time I post a video. Peace. We out.